Good day, folks. 1, 2. That one I fired it up. She basically got the gurgle and starting to get her tune. I gave her one heat run there. She got real hot, actually. The muffler mod isn't wide open on that one. That one it is. That's one I did yesterday. New head and new jug and piston on it. And I just did a new jug and piston on that one last night. There's no work to them, no timing work, just lower transfer. That one has my regular, well, just shy of my regular lower transfer work, and that one got my full lower transfer work. Neither one of them have seen wood yet in this new second life they have. So let's have a look. I'm going to I'm going to run this here one. I want to try this here one in the wood. Let's get her warmed up first. And that one I got to get warming up too. Try to warm up. Sounds good. Yeah, I didn't want to dig into the wood with this other one yet. She runs all right, that's fuck it. There you go. My needle cage bearing isn't tip top, I'll tell you that. I had to that's all good. Yeah, I had to sand down my wrist pin to get her through my connector rod in my, not to get it through, it was tight. Tighter than it should have been. My piston flopping on my connector rod with my wrist pin. So I sanded it down, smoothed it out. These aftermarket cylinders, they were pretty goddamn crusty, I'll tell you that. Even the pistons, I smoothed the pistons out and did some work to the pistons. This one actually has a slight ignition advance. Piston, I did it on the piston, right? There's an air leak on that. I do believe that one has a small air leak. I'm gonna check my fuel lines. These are older 5.62s. Well, anything like my other one. It should have the date on the, there it is there. That tab in there. One sec, I'm reading it. 2016. 2016. Yeah, I ain't even gonna get a read on that one. That was the dirtiest saw I ever seen in my life. But I'm gonna go check the fuel lines on this one over here, and call that one good. Give her back to Buddy. I'm gonna keep this here one for another day or so. Make sure I got it running right. And then I got another one I gotta order. I gotta pull it apart tonight. If there's no air leak in the fuel lines on this here, it's gonna be my seals. I'm gonna have to split the cases. I got a feeling it's just I know what it is. Yeah. Cool, man. I'll get back to you in a little bit when I got more things popping off here. So yeah, talk to you in a bit there, folks.